I promise to build a new world for us two, with you in the middle.
Hello everyone, welcome back if you're new. Hello. So today I decided to do a vlog because I haven't done it in a really long time and like it's a break, so yeah. I'm filming on my iPhone today because my camera is way too big for all that. So let's get on to this video. I'm about to go take a shower, so see you after that. So I just made my bed, made my room look a little bit nicer. Now I'm gonna be doing my hair and putting stuff on my face. I brushed my teeth, brushed my hair, and washed my face earlier, so yeah. So yesterday my grandma Shauna got me this necklace from Ireland and like it's really nice. Thank you, Grandma Shauna. So I'm gonna play Minecraft because I'm not faking this. I'm actually gonna play Minecraft. Don't hate. Haters gonna hate. But I have an orange, so yeah. Having some fruit snacks. And I am gonna play some Egg Wars. This generator is really fast. Yep. Egg Wars was seriously getting on my nerves, so I'm playing Sky Wars solo. I died. I played for 56 seconds. I'm playing again. I'm winning. I died again. I played for 36 seconds. Okay, I won finally. 4 times is a charm. Hydration is key. I looked outside at the most perfect time. My Grandma Shauna and my Aunt Marcy are here. Aunt Marcy, I'm making a vlog.
Oh, hey!
Yeah.
Good morning. I hope you're going to edit this.
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
Oh, don't do that to me again today.
No,
Just for her blog. Just say good morning.
it's just a
Hi.
video.
She'll edit.
Hello.
There
Was
you
that
go.
enough?
Yeah.
That was good.
Good morning.
What is this? Some of it's yours. Well,
Okay, so I'm at my Nana's house right now and I'm about to cut her hair. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out, but hopefully I don't get killed. That's sarcasm.
Upstairs to get my recording of it. It's incredible. Marcy.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Wait, I feel like it's uneven.
Wait.
My Nana and Aunt Marcy are feeding the chickens and I'm obviously outside. I just got the package. It's a pure wooden comb, like, it's like really thick. Ooh, that's nice. This stuff is so good for you. Really excited. So the chickens just laid this very small egg compared to that one. It's like really cool. Like awesome. So we just went to the mall and I'm doing the vlog, you know. I got my mom 2 shirts and I got me 2 shirts and I was so excited because I saw a Billie Eilish shirt. Billie Eilish. And that was exciting. So now we're in Big Lots getting a rug and an outdoor table. So yeah. So we just went to Starbucks and I got the Grande Cloud, you know, Ariana Grande inspired, so let's try it. You can talk, it's fine. Okay, I'm really excited. It's really thick. It's weird.
tastes good.
It's good. Gotta mix it more. The cloud.
Coffee. It's got caramel. It's got a nice foam on top.
I need to buckle my seatbelt. I'll tell you when I'm done. I have mixed opinions about this, but it's good. So we are back home. I have to leave in a bit to go to the movies, but I'll show you what I got. I'm so excited for this Billie Eilish shirt, like so excited. From Forever 21, I got this checkered shirt, just something plain and simple. Oh my gosh, my hair's crazy. I totally forgot about this vlog, but I'm with my friend Gianna.
What's up, guys?
We're at the movies. 5 Feet Apart was canceled. No, it was sold out. We walked everywhere. We went to Michael's, we went to Starbucks.
It was awkward because there's people I know here and they're like, what the
Oh, and people are coming now. Woo. We're sitting in the hallway waiting for my mom to pick us up, so that's Gucci on my body.
wipe your camera, it looks so foggy.
I know. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It's obviously the end. So yeah, bye Felicia. Peace out, bro. And it's, yeah, so 11:31. Bye, Felicia. Peace out, bro.